Yeah, I made some chocolate chip. I know damn well ain't nobody take my muffin. I made some chocolate chip muffins. You're gonna need 2 bowls. Okay? That's my recipe I got from TikTok. I'm gonna put the list at the bottom, y'all. This right here took so long just because the keys just kept coming up in there. I ain't want to use all that sugar. That's why I was making that face. Mm, I just added that salt, y'all. I think it was like 1/4 cup of salt. 2 eggs. I don't want to hear what my people got to say about what I'm about to do because you got to use what you got, okay? I don't have no milk. Listen, I already know. But I don't have any milk. And I don't use cow milk. I ain't got no cashew milk. I ain't got no almond milk. I don't have oat milk. I don't have none of that. This will get the job done. Relax. Keep your panties on. And when I say that water's gonna get the job done, y'all don't judge me. If y'all have baked before, it will get the job done, okay? And I'm whisking them eggs like my mama do. If you can't whisk no eggs like that, I don't know if I really trust you in the kitchen, baby. And I say that while I'm pouring this water up in here, but it's gonna work, y'all. I promise. Trust the process. Use what you got. You ain't gotta always go on the recipe like that. And I'm touching this because the melted butter was still hot. And I ain't wanted to cook my eggs, but it didn't do it. So, yeah. And who knew 1/4 was half a stick of butter? Not me. I promise I didn't. But you learn something new. And then we just gonna mix this up, y'all. These kids kept coming up in here. I chopped and screwed this video so much because they just kept coming up in there. And mind you, they just got through eating some muffins that their daddy made. Was his muffins hidden like mine? We already know the answer to that. That's why he asked me to make these muffins. Y'all already know. Come on now. No, I don't have an ice cream scooper because it broke. But this will get the job done. Use what you got. Come on now. Y'all ain't got to go right off for what everybody doing. When I tell y'all this man is spoiled, spoiled. When I tell y'all this man takes care of me, takes care of me. Yes. Since we got together, you know. And when I tell y'all this man takes care of me, baby, he takes care of this whole house. Okay? Like I handle what go on here, but my boy does his thing and he does it well. You feel me? So if he get up at 4 a.m., hey, can you make me some muffins? Can you make me da 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 da? Yes. Yes, I can. Yes, I can, sir. And I got no problem making it. What this boy right here? He oh Lord. I want to try to hear my baby clap, but him and his sister, baby, they was taking me through it all day, and I was trying to hurry up because my baby was about to wake up. And did she wake up? Yes, she did, y'all. She got up as soon as I was done. Proof right there. That's mama's right there, and I love mama's. That's her for real. Y'all make sure y'all check each muffin. Don't just check one and be like, oh, it's done. Things may cook different in the oven. So make sure you checking all around, y'all. Look at them muffins. Chocolate chip. I does this thing. I does this mom thing, this wife thing. I does it. And I told them kids, no, y'all let it cool off. Did I get a muffin while it was hot? I sure did. And guess what? Y'all, it tastes like a chocolate chip cookie. It was so good. And I'm gonna be sure to put the ingredients in the description. If I forget, Y'all just let me know because I still gotta cook tonight. Look at them chocolate chips, y'all. Come on now. Who you know? Come, your girl does her thing. Look at them. Look at them. And I stole that muffin. It was me, y'all. It was me. Pretty.